Hello, I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another marketing tip for your product or service. So today I'm going to be sharing some really cool information that if you execute these 7 daily tasks to do, you will increase your leads, traffic, and sales by 2 to 5%. Okay, and so it is basically statistics showing that with email marketing, which I've been sharing with you all along, that this is how you actually will increase, your visibility, know, like, and trust, and all of that with your product or service. Okay, and so this checklist that I'm going to be sharing with you will help you definitely to start getting that visibility that you need and the branding and everything that you need to do, okay, to increase your leads, traffic, and sales by 2 to 5%. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is send out emails. I shared with you all a few weeks ago an email that you all could send out saying, hey, I just want you guys to know that I started my new business and I'm really looking for you guys to, let me know what you think about the tips and tricks I'm going to be sending out to you. And so you want to send that out to family, friends, other business people that you met, at meetings. And so that right there in itself will help you, to grow your list. All right. First off. All right. So that will help you jumpstart your list. The second thing you want to do is start adding autoresponder emails to your email campaign. Okay. Of course, you're going to have a welcome email, for those who you have sent an email out to who has opted into your opt-in form. Okay. And so, of course, you'll have that email, but of course, you want to have anywhere from 7 to 10 other emails that will spread over a few days to build that know, like, and trust. Okay. And so you want to start writing out the content for those emails to add to your autoresponder. Okay. The third thing you want to do is, as you basically are communicating with those who has opted into your newsletter, video series, or whatever it is you offered them, okay, training, coaching, you want to add upsells or downsells to your campaign. Okay, so maybe when they opted in, you basically did a one-time offer and they didn't choose that. Okay, they just took your freebie. And so with that in mind, as you're growing your email campaign, okay, you want to add some upsells in there, some downsells in there. Okay, and then the fourth thing you want to do is set up a Facebook ad with a link to your opt-in page. Okay, because that's the way you're going to get people on your list. Okay, the fifth thing to do is to create content with an offer intertwined in it. Okay, and so you can actually, as you're communicating, okay, you definitely want to come up with content that will actually help them walk away saying, hey, you know what she's sharing in this newsletter is definitely helping me, to know more about what I need to be doing or using, whatever it is you're sharing with them. Okay, and so as you're sharing content of valuable information for free, because basically the information that you're sending them over these few days is free, tips and tricks. Okay, so you want to definitely intertwine an offer in there. All right, the sixth thing is to create a new product out of that content. Okay, so yes, you have created email newsletter. Okay, but guess what? You can take that same content and turn it into a video. Okay, and so as you have your actual people who have opted into your newsletter, okay, and you've gone through your 10 email series with them, guess what? And you can actually on your last email say, hey, you know what? I have a video series that I want to, share with you. So you take the same content, make it into a video, okay, and just repurpose that. you can actually take that same content and turn it into an ebook, okay? Turn it into a podcast, okay? And I shared with you basically how to create an ebook at a different interval, and I shared with you how to create a podcast, okay? And so you want to do that. And the last thing you want to do is find affiliate products to add to your email campaign. Okay, so say for instance, okay, you are offering coaching sessions, okay? So what is it in that session that you're offering as a service? So if it's resume writing service, or how to help somebody get a job, how to help them feel confident, there's actually on ClickBank, where JVZoo, there's different platforms where you can actually, as an affiliate, intertwine an affiliate product within your email campaign, okay? So as you're basically, they bought your service, but then you want to be able to keep selling to them, all right? And so those are 7 things you want to do. You want to look for those products that you can throw into your email campaign, all right? And so of course, as you're using your autoresponder traffic wave, and you're learning how to do what you're doing, your email marketing, guess what? You can make money off of traffic wave, okay? And so you can sign up for free for 30 days, and basically it's only $17.95 a month. And once you sign up through my link here, bit.ly/TBJ traffic wave, I actually have a video that walks you through how to set up your campaign, all right? And so if you need help once you sign up, hey, feel free to reach out to me at tjandenterprise@gmail.com, and I look forward to sharing with you another marketing tip for your product or service, all right? And I want you to enjoy the rest of your evening.